Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at the stock Apple. We are going to look at whether the stock is a buy or a sell or a hold as of this week 627. We will be looking at its chart. We will be looking at where the stock was trading before and where it's trading now and where it can go from here. So let's get started. So before we dive in, this is our website, so please check it out when you get a chance. All the informations are recorded there, and please subscribe to this channel. Check out all our social media sites. We love to see you guys there. So when it comes to Apple, it is no stranger to us. So you can search the site with the Apple symbol. You can find tons of articles written over the years, and this stock got added to the tracker on 325 along with a few other stocks. So when it was added, it was trading at the price 246.88. So the maximum entry price was 259.22 and the stop loss was 227.13. And let's see how this stock performed since then. So as of today, the stock is trading around 353. When it was added to the tracker, it was 246.88. So it is posting almost 43% gain since then. And the stop loss was 227.13, which was never in danger because this stock was not rallying since then. And along the way, this stock offered a couple of entry points. You can look at here. So in April 27 at the price range of 282 to 297, and on May 5th it offered another entry point around 290 to 304. So this stock has now added to the tracker on this time frame 327. So you guys are looking at the weekly setting for the Apple. I like the weekly setting. I don't like the daily settings. It has a lot of noise. So the weekly settings reduces a lot of noise. And the two indicators that I follow is 10-week moving average and 50-week moving average. So it added to the tracker when it found support at the 50-week moving average. And here is your secondary entry point on 424, and here is your another entry point on 5.1 or 5.5. So since then it rallied quite a bit. So this stock was now not offering any buy point as of last week, but it came down a little bit this week and offering entry point around 333. But I doubt that it might come down that far. But if it comes down that far, it might very well found support at the 50-week moving average, daily moving average line or 10-week moving average line. So we can enter at the time. Or if it is not coming down that deep, I believe we can enter it around here 357 or so price range. That would be like very high level entry level. It's not a proper entry point, but still you can do a minimal risk. You can take a small pilot buy and see where the stock is now going to go from there. So at this level, I would wait a little bit to consolidate. Now this stock to consolidate a little bit more, but the market is a little bit jittery, so it might come down. If it comes down, it will offer an entry point when it's found support at the 50-day or 10-week moving average line or around here. So this zone is the one you want to watch, and we definitely don't want this one hanging up in the air. So at least the stock has to go up or come down and found support at the 50-week moving average. So we really don't want this one hanging in there for a long time. So roughly, just to keep eye on this 331.75, 361.24, this price range. So it very well trading within this range. If it comes down, you may be able to enter around this area. But if it goes up, once it's clear 361, probably it will rally from that point onwards. So that is a nutshell. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't got a chance to do so. Check out our website, check out our social media sites. We are everywhere and we love to see you guys there. And I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Thank you.